Moahlodi Mogolo wa nakwana Raymond Zondo o kgalemile ka bogale polelo ya Tona ya Boeti Lindiwe Sisulu yeo go yona a hlasetsego Molaotheo wa naga le Boahlodi. Nakong ya ge a bolela le boraditaba, Zondo o hlalositse sengwalwa sa Sisulu bjalo ka thogako gape sa go hloka kagiso. O boletse gape gore o tshwenyegile kudu gore mohlankedi mogolo wa mmusho ka maitemogelo a botona a ka ntšha maikutlo a mohuta woo.
Should not be acceptable in a constitutional democracy such as ours that a member of parliament and a member of the executive should wake up one morning without any facts, just write an article and insult all African judges from the highest court in the land is most regrettable. I would have expected at least that if she held the views that she holds here, she would at least have some facts to back up what she is saying. I want to say, I find this conduct on the part of a senior member of the ruling party, a senior member of parliament, a senior member of the executive, completely unacceptable. And it would be a pity if it was allowed to stand just like that. In this case, the particular reason for responding is the insult, as opposed to even just the criticism of the insult. But in terms of meeting with the president and so on, that is something that we would decide at a certain stage. As I say, in 2015 or 2016, that meeting was called because there were continuing constant attacks on the judiciary.